In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive a list in Trello. Archiving lists can be a great way to clean up your Trello boards without permanently deleting content. Let's walk through the process together step by step to ensure you can manage your Trello boards efficiently. First, you need to open your web browser and head over to Trello.com. This is your gateway to all things Trello, so go ahead and make sure you're on the correct site. Once the page fully loads, you'll see an option to log in at the top right corner. Click on this login button and you'll be presented with a choice to sign in using either your email or a Google account. Opt for whichever method you usually use to access your Trello account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be brought to your Trello homepage. From here, direct your attention to the left side of the screen and locate the Boards section. This area will give you access to all your boards and workspaces, which are crucial for the next steps. Click on your workspaces to see all the different workspaces you have access to as part of your Trello usage. Within this section, look for the Your Boards tab. This is where all the boards you own or collaborate on are listed. Now, identify and click on the board containing the list you wish to archive. Navigating through your projects and tasks will lead you to the specific board you're interested in. Inside this board, find the particular list you want to archive. You'll notice three little dots, usually found at the top right of the list. These dots are essentially a mini menu that gives you several options related to your list. Clicking on these three dots will reveal a drop-down menu with various actions. To archive the list, search for the option labelled Archive this list and click on it. This action will move the list out of your active board view and into the archives. Archiving is beneficial as it preserves the list's data while removing it from direct view, helping keep your board clutter-free, and just like that, your list is archived. Remember, archiving is not the same as deleting. Your data isn't lost, it's just moved into a storage section of your Trello board where you can retrieve it if necessary. This feature offers a great way to maintain organization within your projects while allowing you the flexibility to access archived lists later if needed. Thank you for watching and happy organizing on Trello.